What's going on with the truckers? So a quick announcement today, DOT inspection. Everybody, it's a blitz, man. We got over thousands of troopers going to stop truck drivers today, August 3rd through August 6th. Jenna, I cannot remember, but it's over like a dozen states.
There's quite a few. So I-81 corridor from New York through Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia. And then on I-95, it would be, of course, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. And again, those are effective, August 3rd through the 6th?
Yep.
That's happening. And other states, as far as like participating in the Safe Drive, that includes Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Louisiana, Mississippi, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Texas, and Virginia.
Man, so it's a lot of states
it's
here.
A lot.
Well, here's the messed up part. In Florida, they actually have a semi truck. I've talked about it before, where they're in the semi truck and they're looking out for people that are driving too fast, driving too close to other cars and vehicles, and being distracted behind the wheel. So this started back in 2014, and I'm telling you, people, you just got to do the right thing, right? But I'm letting you know this is happening right now, and it's happening in all those states. So just be careful. If you see semi trucks in Florida, a black one, I'll show you the picture right here. This is the exact semi truck they use in Florida to give truck drivers and four-wheeler tickets.
Oh shoot, but today's August 3rd, huh?
That's
so
what I'm talking
today.
About. It's today. It's right now.
It's like right now. Today.
It's right now. So inspections, blitz, everywhere. All right. Appreciate you guys, man. So just be careful out there. Do what you always do. Be professional. But we'll talk to you later.
Stay safe.
Yep.